Dan Perry here with another digital electronics tutorial for Dan on Tech. In this video we will look at representing characters with binary numbers. Now, some of you may have, or we probably all have at least heard of Morse code, and Morse code was a way that with the telegraph they came up with a method of representing characters. And in Morse code we can represent with a dot the letter E, a dash is the letter T. What we're probably most familiar with is dot 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 for an S, dash 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 for an O from SOS. Now, as long as we know which combination of dots and dashes are used to represent which letters of the alphabet or numbers, then I can send a series of dots and dashes, and somebody at the other end that understands it can read it. So it's a code, it's a representation. Well, with the computers, we have what is called, or we use what is called an ASCII code in the US for English. The ASCII code uses 8 bits, and there is a 7-bit version of the ASCII code, and those 8 bits represent characters. We might remember from the counting that with 8 bits we have 256 possible characters, and that will handle all of the English alphabet, both upper and lower case. So the ASCII code allows us to represent letters and numbers, and what I have here is a table of ASCII values. This is not the complete code. This one actually starts at the decimal numeric equivalent of 32, which is a blank space. Yes, a blank space is represented, and it shows that the binary number for that is a 00100000. Now, you don't have to remember that. If you ever need it, you can look it up. We can see here that through there, and part of this table is cut off, represents the capital letters. So a decimal 65 represents the letter A. We have lowercase letters here, so a decimal 97 is the lowercase a. In between it we have other characters such as the exclamation points, we have carets, we have question marks. All of those characters, not all showing on this table, are part of the ASCII code. So any text character that can be printed on your computer. As long as we know what code we're using, anytime you see that combination and know it represents a character, it can be converted. And the computer knows these and knows when you're representing a character. If it sees a particular combination, let's say it sees this combination, that would be a lowercase h. So the ASCII code gives us a way of representing our characters. If we were doing international codes, there are codes for different languages. Some of those codes, instead of 8-bit, require 16 bits. That's especially true for some of the Japanese and Chinese character sets where they have thousands of different characters that need to be represented. Well, I'd like to thank you for watching this Dan on Tech video. Please subscribe to this playlist so you don't miss future videos, and please check out and subscribe to other playlists on the Dan on Tech channel. Thank you.